welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually, we will be having Khadija on our YouTube channel, guys. We'll be having her on our YouTube channel. Okay, you all remember the last upload we had on this YouTube channel about Fatima Dauda going to the worst reviewed makeup artist. So after we left the place, this is what Khadija said. She said something like, maybe Fatima happens to be a little girl, that's why the makeup artist got it wrong. So I was like, okay, fine. Khadija, what will happen? She said she will be the one to feature the next worst reviewed makeup artist, and she will love this worst reviewed makeup artist to have to make up her on. You understand? So I was like, hey, Khadija, can you do this? She said yes. Can you do this? She said yes. She got us. I said, no problem. So I said something like, okay, why not the first makeup we went there for, we did not give her any look, so but this very one we will be giving her a look, and this is the look we'll be going for. Yeah, this very one from Imani Traki. If you don't know her, she's an Instagram makeup artist. You can follow her on her Instagram handle, Imani Traki. So I said, all right, no problem, why not, let's go for this very look on Imani Traki's great page. She said okay. So I said okay, fine. So you all should please stay tuned and see how this transformation will look like, because trust me guys, I know it's gonna be rough, not light, rough. But Khadija said no, she trusts this makeup artist, she can do something better. So you all should please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to Miss Muhammad YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love.
Yeah guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad is the building, babies. So guess what guys, this is what we tell the makeup artist today. We will tell her that Khadija should be going on a date, and please let her just try to recreate this very look. Even if she cannot get it right, let her just try to let the makeup look something like similar to this very one. You understand what I'm saying? So to save her from all these hard makeup, hard stress. So I don't know why Khadija trusts this woman so much like that, but I can tell from the last makeup we had, I can tell that there's nothing good coming up. You all know that, because I just believe this woman should be a painter but not a makeup artist. Yeah, you all know what I'm trying to say. And at the same time, you all should please comment down below who is with me saying she's supposed to be a painter, not a makeup artist. Yeah, I repeat, she's supposed to be a painter, not a makeup artist. So you all should please comment down below, and after this makeup, you all should please try to give Khadija a name.
Yeah.
Because I believe that Khadija maybe she'll end up looking like a ghost. So you all should please comment down below, tell us what names fit Khadija today. Miss Muhammad, what can you please say?
To me, I just feel, because I know all these worst makeup artists, they don't fail me. They are always worst at their makeup skills, very, very worst and rough. But Khadija trusts this makeup artist, saying maybe because Fatih, she's a little girl, so she trusts her, she will definitely recreate that look that we will give her. So we hope and pray she recreates it. And if she don't, we'll give her a name.
Actually, me, I've given her a name already. I call her a ghost. What about you, Miss Mohammed?
A clown.
A clown. So you all should please comment below. I trust my fans. You all will come up with different kind of names. So you all should please comment down below. Give her a name. She deserves one. She deserves one, guys. Because we told her. But she said no. She said no. Do you know what? Sometimes I myself, I'm finding it very hard to believe that they can do something like this and call it a makeup, because sometimes after we comes back home, I'll be the one telling Miss Muhammad that how can you do something like this to someone's face?
Someone's face. Comfortably painting someone's face in the name of makeup.
It's too much now. But no problem, I'll leave you guys up to all this. So you all should please comment down below. You know, still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black and Miss Muhammad is the building, babies. guys. Can you see Khadija? And actually that's the end of the makeup for today. Just look at her face. Imagine, it is a blush or what? Can you see your face? You look too color. Just raise up your head a little bit. Let them see. Open your eye. This is Imani Try Kiss Recreate makeup. Look.
The eyeliner is not neat. The eyeshadow too is not neat. And the way she does her makeup is so rough, guys. Can you see how she applied the lipstick? It's not neat.
The kajal, can you see how she, the eyeliner?
It's not neat. Nothing is neat about this makeup. Her makeup skills is bad.
So you all should play. You are tired, ma? So she's even short of words, guys. She's short of words. Just say sorry to her at the comment section, please. What do you want them to say to you?
Please,
please, you are short of words.
Oh God.
Please, you all should please give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, share this video. Let it go viral. Imagine, just take a look at her face, please. Take a look at her face. I can't even believe this. I can't believe.
Never seen a makeup
like this.
This bad.
You this bad?
Just look at the eyeshadows. How can the eyeshadows be close to the brow? Who does that?
And what's reviewed makeup artist?
Yes. I agree.
Why are you?
100%.
It's like you're a little bit upset.
Yeah.
You are.
The way she was turning my face as if she was going to do something good, and then boom, I look at the mirror and my face looks like a masquerade.
Girl, guys, this is what we always go through with this worst reviewed makeup artist. If you want to be featured on a worst reviewed makeup artist, please comment down below and send me a message on my Instagram handle. If you want to be featured on a worst reviewed makeup artist in my city, yo guys. So fine, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit on the
comment, and don't forget to show us some love. Hit on the notification bell.
Oh
yeah. It's still your favorite girl, girl, Mary J. Black, and Miss Mama in the building.
That is